we go. Okay, we've got a cactus, and we're going to do it kind of loose, and it'll be okay. Now, let's just, for some background color, okay? Let's just throw some orange in here, and it's really thinned down, and it'll be just fine. Okay, and I'm using a nice big brush to put it in there with. Okay, just like that. And it's just hardly even going to be noticeable. But it's something that we're going to want. So we'll just put it in, and you can see I'm not being too careful with it because any other color that we're going to use is going to be so dominant that it'll go right over the top of it. Okay, so we're not even gonna worry about that. This will just dry down, and it will hardly even be noticeable when it's dried. Okay, there we go. That's all we need to do on this first session. And as you can see, we're painting the negative space, and the image itself begins to come up so we can see it, just like that. We can even take a rag like this. We can just tap like this, just make that even more diffused in the background. But the next time you see this, all of that orange is going to be so diffused that you won't even notice it, okay? So, be with me tomorrow, and we will actually start getting some work on the vase, and we just might even get to the cactus itself, okay? We'll see you tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, okay? Leave comments. We need the comments, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.